The topic that we are going to see today is threshold voltage. The threshold voltage is usually referred to as VTH or VT, and that is the notation used throughout this topic. So the threshold voltage is defined as the minimum voltage that is required to set a channel between source and the drain. The threshold voltage is applied between gate and the source, or else we call that to be the minimum VGS value that is required to set a channel between source and the drain. In an NMOS transistor, a positive gate voltage is given to the device. This positive voltage repels the positive charges in the p-type body or substrate and forms a depletion region or channel that consists of minority carriers, that is the electrons. This takes place for a value of VGS that is less than the threshold voltage. When the positive VGS is increased beyond the threshold voltage VT, the electrons in the depletion region increases and starts conducting between source and drain. This takes place for a value of VGS greater than the threshold voltage. So there is no flow of current when VGS is less than VT, and there starts a flow of current when the VGS is increased above VT. The VTH is a fundamental electrical parameter whose applications are technology characterization, aging evaluation, matching assessment, which refers to performance of different transistors that can be assessed, temperature and radiation sensors. Threshold voltage depends on the number of dopants in the body, that is the substrate, and thickness of the SiO2 layer, that is the dielectric that lies below the gate and above the substrate. So the formula for VT is this, threshold voltage is this, is equal to VT naught plus gamma into psi s plus VSB minus root of psi SB. There is a root for the first term also. So this is the threshold voltage with body effect. So VTO is equal to threshold voltage when the source is at the body potential. Psi s is the surface potential at the threshold, or it can also be called as the Fermi level potential between inverted surface and the substrate or body. Gamma is the body effect coefficient. So psi s is equal to 2 Vt ln Na by Ni. Na is equal to impurity concentration in the substrate. Ni is equal to the intrinsic electron concentration. Gamma is equal to Tox by epsilon ox root of 2q epsilon Si Na. Cox is equal to epsilon ox by Tox. The threshold voltage without body effect may be expressed as Vt is equal to psi ms Qb minus Qss by C naught plus 2 psi s. Psi b, what is it? The charge per unit area in the channel. Qb, the charge per unit area in the channel. Qss, charge density at Si and the SiO2 interface. What is C naught? C naught is nothing but otherwise your Cox given here. Cox is otherwise your C naught, capacitance per unit gate area. So epsilon ox is equal to permittivity of SiO2, Tox is equal to thickness of SiO2. SiO2 is the dielectric layer that lies underneath the gate. Psi ms is equal to work function difference between gate and Si. To evaluate the threshold voltage without body effect gamma, each term in the above expression is determined as follows. Qb is equal to root of 2 epsilon naught epsilon Si Qn into 2 psi s plus Vsb. Psi s is equal to Kt by Q ln Na by Ni volts. Ln refers to the natural logarithm. So this is the value for Qss. What is VSB? It is the voltage between substrate, body and source. or else you can call it as substrate bias voltage. Epsilon SI is the relative permittivity of SI. Vt is equal to kT by Q, volt equivalent of temperature. So this is a diagram that you can draw for a body effect of an NMOS device to explain the body effect of an NMOS device. Okay. So there are three terminals, as you know, we have explained it in our previous topic. So it is source, gate, drain. So VSB is the voltage, biasing voltage that is given between source and the body, VSB. Body effect is the potential difference between source and body which affects the threshold voltage VT. In this topic, therefore, we have seen the threshold voltage with body effect gamma and without body effect gamma. So the expression for threshold voltage with body effect is this. The expression for threshold voltage without body effect is this. So both the equations are being explained in this topic thoroughly. Here there is no gamma, so we know that it is a threshold voltage without body effect. Thank you.